Hello, this is Chris Yost at Brilliant RV in beautiful Duluth, Minnesota. Today is Tuesday, March 19th, 2025. Behind me, newly arrived, is our brand new 2025 Grand Design Imagine 3210 BH travel trailer. We're sure on the outside, sure the inside. See what you guys think. Well, good part is, snow is going away. A little pile here, a little pile there. About 35 degrees today, a little chilly wind, but spring is coming. And here we've got a gorgeous Grand Design Imagine. This coach is about 8,600 pounds dry. You do have opposing slides. Heavy half ton with the equalizer probably could do it if you don't go too far. But 3/4 ton would always be ideal. Got the beautiful front fiberglass cap there with the LED lights incorporated into that. Little rock guard, 220-pound LP tanks. We put a brand new deep cycle interstate battery right there in a box. Power tongue jack. Complete orientation, that's all included here at Brilliant RV. We're 70 years family owned. No hidden fees, no corporate games, guys. And that's always a good thing. 2 ACs on this unit, 200-watt solar panel to trickle charge the battery we put on board. Look at this, just like a fifth wheel. Drop frame, pass-through storage, flush. Heck, you put kids in there if you want. Stabilizer jacks on all 4 corners, black tank flush right there. Aluminum framed, laminated fiberglass exterior, heated underbelly. No, not winter package. No such thing. Don't start going there, people. 3 seasons at most. A couple nights below freezing, maybe. 2 LED lit power awnings. Patio space here, patio space there. This one here will cover the outside kitchen. So if it's pouring rain, guys, ladies, you can still do your grilling and your cooking. 110 fridge right there. Fold up aluminum steps. You got the receiver hitch right there, not for towing a boat or a trailer, but for a bike rack. Let's see if this is locked. Yeah, it is. Well, that's not an escape hatch. That's to open up. You put bikes and gear in there if you want to store some stuff going down the road. Prep for a backup camera. Obviously, roof ladder, full walk-on roof. Gonna have the on-demand tankless water heater. Magnets hold these up, another storage compartment there. Never ever heard anybody say, I have too much storage, I don't like that. Never have too much storage. Shoot down the other side, you get your furnace exhaust. Look what they've done here, this is kind of neat. They've made this cap clear. So, in case you're wondering, if I take that off, am I gonna get some stuff on my hands? Now you know. Even a little LED light for messing with that at night. No pun intended. Outside shower, solar and battery disconnect right there. This opens up so you can run hoses right down through here, which is nice, and keep that door closed. Let's go take a walk inside. So as you see, these opposing slides wide open. Nice little area here too. You've got your island with your solid surface counters. You've got a sprayer here in case somebody's getting mouthy over there on the theater seating. Got your roll-up sink cover. 10 cubic foot, 12-volt fridge. Pantry, oven, microwave. Got your booth here with storage underneath, and that's a freestanding table, so you can use it there, you can use it there, you can use it out there, not on posts. Multi-use. And I tell you what, if you got friends, look at that theater seating, goodness gracious. Or if you really like the kids, they can have a place to lounge too. 4-seater there. Look at all the nice windows. You get the blackout shades on all the windows. These lights are dimmable. If you hold on to the switch over here, you can dim these if it's too bright for you. Do have the prep station over here. We can do this. Have a little cell phone charger, perfect. More storage, got the split bath with 2 pocket doors. Porcelain toilet right there. Medicine cabinet. Good size shower. Your door and skylight so I can show you. So I'm just over 6'2". I'm definitely not coming with you, but as you can see, even I can get clean in here. Nice part about Grand Design as well is it's true queen bed, 60 by 80. Take the crappy RV mattress, throw it out that door right there. Put your favorite pillow top in here. It'll fit right in the same spot. There's your 50 amp cord. That little drawer can be taken out, filled in the house, brought back out here. You can take it out all together if you want. You've got hers and hers closets, storage above. Nightstands on both sides for place for CPAP. Those can be white or blue lights there for reading or at night. There's a door right to the outside in case you don't want to wake up your guests. TV backer up there in case you want to add a bedroom TV. And of course this second AC is plumbed right into the same ducting throughout the whole coach. If you're at a place with 50 amp service. Look at this too in the bathroom. Look at the room for linens, storage, TP, whatever you need. Yeah, this is great though. Look how wide open that is. If you're stuck inside, especially with a bunch of kids or friends, gives you lots of room. And back here, which again, pocket door closes this off. Got bigger bunks on this side, smaller on this side. It's going to be your drawers here for storage. And once again, that door will open up so you can bring bikes or coolers or gear in here if you want. Dog crates, that'd be perfect. They're part of the family too. But an actual closed off bunk area. Just say goodnight. And even back here, even if the kids are screaming, "Mom, it's too bright in here," you can dim these lights too. Ooh, see, go to bed, go sleepy. Cell phone chargers, both sides, they won't argue because the kids never argue. We know that. Here's looking back out front again. Just a great bunkhouse trailer from Grand Design Imagine. It's here, it's available. Spring is coming. Once again, this is Chris here at Bullion RV in Duluth. For those of you who don't know where Duluth, Minnesota is, if you're looking at a map of the U.S., we're at the far western tip of Lake Superior, or about 2.5 hours due north of Minneapolis, St. Paul. I've been here 24 years. I'll do whatever I can do to earn your business. This is the cheapest 3210 I can offer anybody. We take trades. Feel free to call or text me anytime, day or night, at 218-393-1472. And if you like this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below so that anytime we post something new, you'll know exactly what we have available. Stay safe, stay positive, and happy camping.